Newton's first law states that an object stays at rest unless an outside force acts on it. As you can see, the football is not in motion when Jared, the force, isn't acting on it. When the ball is kicked, Jared applies a force that causes the football to go in motion.
When the football is thrown, it travels in a straight line, but gravity is the force that pulls the football to the ground, and the ground acts as a force that stops the football from moving. That force equals mass times acceleration, and that acceleration is directly proportional to the net force, but inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Also, an object with more mass with the same acceleration has more force than an object with less mass. When the dime is dropped, it does not rip the paper, but when the battery is dropped, because it has a greater mass than the dime and equal acceleration, it has a greater force, therefore ripping the paper. The second law can also be shown by pushing two objects with different masses with the same amount of force. The object with less mass will have a greater acceleration because acceleration is inversely proportional to mass.
When an object exerts a force on a second object, that second object exerts an equal and opposite force. The more force exerted by the ball, the higher the ball will bounce from the ground because the ground exerts an equal amount of force to the ball in the opposite direction. The more force exerted by the runner, the faster they run because the ground exerts back an equal force in the opposite direction.